Okay, now let's talk about raising a product to a power. So when we're raising a product to a power, we can use repeated multiplication to simplify an expression such as this one right here. We have 4m to the 1/2 power, all raised to the third power, right? And the name kind of product to a power makes sense because we have 4 times m to the 1/2. Remember, multiplication, another word for that, is to find the product of something. And this is all being raised to the third power. All right, so we have a product to a power. So if we were to take a look using multiplication, right, and we wanted to expand this out, this is 4m to the 1/2 to the third power. So this is equal to 4m to the 1/2 times 4m to the 1/2 times 4m to the 1/2. Now we can go ahead and simplify this using our powers to a same base. Sorry, I drew a blank there. But powers to a same base. And remember, first we're going to multiply our coefficients together. So we have 4 times 4 times 4. And now we multiply our bases together. So we have m to the 1/2 times m to the 1/2 times m to the 1/2. And now we just have to go ahead and simplify. So 4 times 4 times 4, that gives us 64. And then we have m to the 1/2 times m to the 1/2 times m to the 1/2. So remember, these are being multiplied together, powers with the same base. The same base here is m. So we just add these exponents together. 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2, that's 3 over 2. So this is m to the 3 over 2. And there we have it, 64m to the 3 over 2 power. Now, let's take a look at doing it a little bit differently. All right, so now let's get rid of all of this. Now, another way we can do it is by basically, we could say, distributing this exponent of 3 to each term inside of here, right? This is all one term, but we can distribute it to each factor. That's a better word for it, each factor. So if we do that, this is equal to 4 to the third power times m to the 1/2 to the third power. All right, so we have a 4 to the third power here. That's 4 times 4 times 4. That gives us that 64. And now we have m to the 1/2 power raised to the third power. So here we're going to use that power to a power. So we have to multiply those exponents. So this is m to the 1/2 times 3. And then 1/2 times 3 is just 3 over 2. So we get that same answer of 64m to the 3 over 2 power. And that's how we do it, just like that. And now we have another rule, raising that product to a power. Right? And we can see here, to raise a product to a power, we raise each factor to the power and then multiply. Right? So, for example, we have this 3x to the 4th power. So you raise each of these factors to the 4th power. You raise 3 to the 4th power, and you raise x to the 4th power, and then you just go ahead and simplify. 3 to the 4th power is 81, and you have that x to the 4th, and that's how you do it. Same way right here, 4b to the 3/2 power. Well, each factor gets raised to that 3/2 power. So you have 4 to the 3/2 power times b to the 3/2 power, and that ends up equaling 8b to the 3/2 power.